Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to quickly fix Roblox when you get started on this configuration screen. Let's get started. First, restart the Roblox app completely. Close it from your task manager or force quit on mobile. Then reopen it. It often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause configuring issues. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data temporarily. Next, clear the Roblox caches on Windows, Mac, or mobile. Clear the temporary glitches. Update Roblox to the latest version. Uninstall and reinstall the app if updates doesn't apply automatically. Disable your firewall or antivirus temporarily, as they might block a Roblox configuration process, but remember to re-enable them after testing. If you're on PC, run the Roblox as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox shortcut, select Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator. Still stuck? Contact Roblox support with details like your username, device, and steps you've tried. And that's it. You've just troubleshoot the configuring screen issue. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you've encountered this issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.